Hello children, good morning. Welcome to class 1. Today we will learn in subject computer chapter number 6 start and shut down. So everyone take out your computer textbook to page number 39. See on page number 6 start and shut down. In this chapter you will learn about how to start the computer, how to shut down the computer. So, here starting a computer. In order to start a computer, follow the steps given below. Here is some steps how to start the computer. So, we learn here step number 1, switch on the main power supply. This is switch on the main power supply. Step number 2, switch on the UPS. Here, this is UPS. So switch on UPS. Then number 3, switch on the CPU. Here, this is CPU. And step number 4, switch on the monitor. Here, this is monitor, switch on. When you complete the above steps, a screen appears on the monitor. It shows that the computer is taking its time to start. ये सब स्टेप आप करोगे तो कंप्यूटर थोड़ा टाइम लेंगे and this time is known as booting of the computer. A new screen appears on the monitor after booting. It shows that the computer is on and is ready for use. बाद में क्या होगा, ये हमारे यूज़ के लिए रेडी हो जाएगा. The screen is known as the desktop. ऐसा कंप्यूटर डेस्कटॉप आ जाएगा. These small picture are known as icon. This is जो साइड पे जो छोटे छोटे पिक्चर्स होते हैं उसे क्या बोलते हैं, आइकॉन्स. This is the desktop screen. You can change its design. This जो है डिज़ाइन, वो हम डेस्कटॉप पे जो स्क्रीन पे है वो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, उसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. The UPS provides power back up for the computer. It keeps the computer on for some time even when the light goes off. UPS जो है वो हमें क्या प्रोवाइड करता है, पावर बैक्स अप फॉर द कंप्यूटर. Now we will learn shutting down a computer. हम पहले स्टार्ट ऑन करना सीखा कंप्यूटर का, अब सीखेंगे शट डाउन, बंद करना. In order to shut down, in brackets, turn off a computer, follow the steps given below. Step number 1, click on the click on the start button. First click on start button. Step number 2, click on shut down in the start menu. Then here start button पे क्लिक करेंगे तो here क्या आएगा, शट डाउन स्टार्ट मेनू. क्या आएगा, क्लिक ऑन शट डाउन इन द स्टार्ट मेनू. शट डाउन करेंगे उसमें सब मेनू आएंगे. The desktop screen will fade away after some time. Remember that if you do not shut down the computer in a proper way, you may lose the work done by you. आप अपना जो कंप्यूटर है वो डायरेक्टली बंद कर सकते नहीं है, उसे जो प्रॉपर वे है उसमें ही बंद करना चाहिए, नहीं तो जो वर्क आपने किया है वो आपका क्या जाएगा, लॉस। यू मस्ट वेट टिल द कंप्यूटर शट्स डाउन कम्प्लीटली, थोड़ी वेट करना, लेकिन उसका जो स्टेप्स है वही ऐसे ही कंप्यूटर को शट डाउन करना चाहिए। व्हेन इट गेट्स टर्न ऑफ फॉलो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स। स्टेप नंबर 3, स्विच ऑफ द UPS। Then what? Here click on shutdown. Then here switch off the UPS. Then step number 4, switch off the monitor. And number 5, switch off the main power supply. Last three step जो स्टार्ट में भी एक जैसे है और किस में, शट डाउन में भी एक जैसे है, लेकिन यहाँ वहाँ पर ऑन करना है और यहाँ पर ऑफ करना है। डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? आई होप यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टूड दिस चैप्टर, हाउ कैन शट डाउन the computer and how can start the computer. Okay, now hard words: start, shut down, power supply, monitor, order, complete, screen appears above, booting, taking, ready, desktop, below, away, proper, remember, done, follow, fail. These hard words you should write in your text notebook. You should write first chapter name, number, chapter name, and in this in 4 line you should write hard words and then write one by one words. Exercise time. A. Tick write the right option. Number 1. Time taken by a computer to start is known as dash dash. A. Rooting, B. booting, C. shooting. Here answer booting. So tick right booting. The first screen displayed on the monitor known as A. laptop, B. laptop, C. desktop. So answer is desktop. Tick right on desktop. Number 3, the small pictures on desktop are known as image, icons, pictures. Tick on icons. B. Fill in the blanks with words given in the help box. Number 1, you can change desktops dash. What we change? Design. So write here design. Number 2, dash provides power backup for the computer. So answer UPS. Number 3, you must not dash the computer directly. So answer switch off. Number 4, we first click on the dash button to shut down the computer. So answer start. C. Number the following steps in correct order 4. Number 1, starting a computer. So here first step, turn on the main power supply. Second, turn on the UPS. Third, turn on the CPU. And number 4, turn on the monitor. Number 2, shutting down the computer. First step, click on the start button. Step number 2, click on the shutdown option. Number 3, turn off the UPS. Number 4, turn off the monitor. And step number 5, turn off the main power supply. Did you understand, students? I hope you all are understood this chapter and this exercise. Homework. Take right the right option. Number 2. Fill in the blanks with words given in the help box. Number 3. Number the following steps on correct form. This all exercise you should write in your notebook and textbook board. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.